Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on in the daily newspaper on Thursday, March the 7th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. For the evening, I will solve not all the puzzles in this additional. We have 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. We have here the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 Jigsaw Sudoku, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening. News of today, well, I've heard that, Ramadan will start, I believe, Sunday. And the war in Israel, well, I've heard that they want to enter Rafah. Yes, the soldiers are coming because they want to enter before Ramadan starts. So it's not so good news, and I can predict that there are a lot of casualties or people killed by this action. Filthy war. Yes, it's a filthy war. All those children and women and people in Gaza are starving. I can still not believe this. In World War II, the Jewish people are starved in the camps, and this is totally the other way. Yeah, the other way. So now the people in Gaza are starving. Yeah. What they did is the same as World War II. And cannot believe this. All right, enough about the war. Let me start with the first one. The first puzzle is a 3 stars Sudoku, and this will be number, I believe, 8-1. 8-1. 3. No, 4-2. 8-1-4-2. 8-1-4-2. And let me position the camera first. Well, I have not a lot of space. Come on. Yeah. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. 27 should be an easy one. But it's indicated with 3 stars. And for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 27. Should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. 893. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 8, the 9, and 3. We have 8 and 9 and 3 in this big square, so no 8 and 3. and the 9 goes in these 3 boxes. 8, 9, and the 3 goes in those 3 boxes. Let me put this 8, 9, and 3. 8, 9, and the 3. We have a triplet. The other 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, 4 is missing. 2, 4, 5, and 6 is missing. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. And how about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1, 5. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5. Here we have a 1 and a 5. So this box can be 1 and a 5. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 2 numbers left now in this. Oh, no. I need to wait here. Wait. How about 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between middle row, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. 5. And I need a 4 here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this second row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. I need an 8 here. Okay, 1, 4. Need a 4 here or there. In the middle row, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright, so need the 4 here. Then, let me see. Need a 3 here. 6 and yeah, need to 5, 5, 5, 5. Come on. Need a 3 here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3, 3, okay. Need a 1 here. Need a 5 here. Okay. 5 there. Then 1, 1. Okay. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. Okay. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. We have a 1 in the column next, no 1 there. Here can be a 1. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. So the 1 in the second row could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright. And now, 8, 8. Okay. Now, I need to think. 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, need a 2 there. How about a 4? Need a 4 here. Yeah. Come on. Need an 8 there. Need a 2 here. 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be here. There's more 2s. No. 2, 2, 2. Okay, 1. 3 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. We need an 8 there. Okay. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 here. Okay. 2 numbers left now in the second row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Need a 5 here. Need a 9 there. Nope, need a 9 here. Okay. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column 3, no, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3, 3, 3, okay. 2, 4, 6. In this column, we need a 4. Here can be 4, we have 4 in this big square, no 4 there. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in this column should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 6, okay. Let me mark those, 2 and the 6. Well, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column 3, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column for my other 1 and 2. The 3, 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. 1 box left in this column for number, I believe, the 6. Yeah, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 6 in that column, so the column 3, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5, 6, 7. Need an 8 and a 9. 5, 8, 9. 5, 8, 9. No. Need to wait. How about these 2 missing numbers? 5 and the 9. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. Only place left for 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers, 1 of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here can be an 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left here, the 9 and the 3. Alright, I need to wait. 9 and a 3. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1, 1. Okay. 5. Let me think. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only place level 3 should be there. 3, 6, and a 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have 3 in this row. No, this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 6 goes there. 3 and the 9 are left in this row. We have a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7, 8. 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 and a 6, we have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then, two numbers left in this row. Four numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in the second column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. 7 in the first column. 7 in the second column. So the third column, no. Need 2 places. 11 and 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. Two numbers left in the first row. Four numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. 2 in this column. 2 in the second column. So the third column, no. Only place 11. 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 4 in the first column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. The 6 goes there. 4 in the first column. 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place 11 to 4 should be there. And the final two numbers in this big square. 4 numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8. 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. The 6 goes there. Finishes 60 minutes. Well, I've talked too much in the beginning. Otherwise, it will be faster than 50 minutes. But I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the other two puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.